9 ways to ditch lower belly fat without crunches. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Healthy Living channel. Today we're tackling a topic I get asked about all the time: how to get rid of that stubborn lower belly fat. We all know those crunches can be brutal, so I'm sharing my top 9 tips that don't involve a single one. These are all about making sustainable, healthy lifestyle changes. Stick around, because we're diving into each one in detail. Let's talk about fiber, the unsung hero of weight management. Fiber is often overlooked, but it plays a crucial role in keeping our bodies healthy and our weight in check. It's not just about eating less, it's about eating right. You see, fiber is your digestive system's best friend. It helps everything move smoothly through your system, preventing constipation and promoting regularity. This is essential for overall digestive health. It adds bulk to your diet, which means you feel fuller for longer. When you consume fiber-rich foods, they expand in your stomach, making you feel satisfied and reducing the urge to overeat. That means fewer cravings and less snacking. When you're not constantly hungry, you're less likely to reach for unhealthy snacks that can derail your diet. Think about it. When you're satisfied, you're less likely to reach for those sugary, processed foods that can contribute to belly fat. Instead, you'll be more inclined to choose nutritious options that support your health goals. And where do you find this magical fiber? Fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains are all excellent sources. Incorporating a variety of these foods into your diet can make a big difference. Whole grains, all those good-for-you foods we should be eating anyway. Foods like oats, brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat products are packed with fiber and other essential nutrients. So load up on those leafy greens, berries, and whole wheat bread. These foods are not only high in fiber but also rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health. Your gut and your waistline will thank you. By making fiber a regular part of your diet, you'll not only improve your digestive health, but also support your weight management efforts. So, start today and fuel up with fiber. This one's all about mindful eating. It's not just about what you eat, but how much. We live in a world of supersized portions, but our stomachs haven't quite caught up. A simple trick is to use smaller plates. It tricks your brain into thinking you're eating more than you actually are. And pay attention to serving sizes. That nutrition label on the side of the box, it's your friend, not your enemy. Take a minute to read it and understand what a realistic portion looks like. You might be surprised. Protein is a powerhouse nutrient, especially when it comes to ditching belly fat. Why? Because it helps build and maintain muscle mass. And the more muscle you have, the more calories you burn at rest. It's like having a calorie-burning furnace running in the background 24/7. Plus, protein keeps you feeling full and satisfied, which can help prevent overeating. So make sure you're including plenty of lean protein sources in your diet, like chicken breast, fish, beans, lentils, and tofu. Chapter 4. Prioritize sleep for a slimmer middle. Now, this one might seem surprising, but trust me on this. Sleep is often overlooked when it comes to weight management, but it plays a crucial role. Sleep is crucial for weight management, especially when it comes to belly fat. When you get enough rest, your body can function optimally, including your metabolism. When you're sleep deprived, your body produces more of the stress hormone cortisol. This hormone is released in response to stress, and lack of sleep is a significant stressor. And cortisol is notorious for increasing belly fat storage. High levels of cortisol can lead to an increase in appetite and cravings for unhealthy foods. Not only that, but lack of sleep can mess with your hunger hormones, making you feel hungrier and more likely to crave sugary, high-calorie foods. This can lead to overeating and weight gain. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. This range is optimal for most adults and can help regulate your body's functions. It's like a mini vacation for your body and mind. Quality sleep allows your body to repair and rejuvenate, reducing stress and improving overall health. Establishing a bedtime routine can also help improve sleep quality. Try activities like reading a book, taking a warm bath, or meditating before bed. Avoid caffeine and heavy meals close to bedtime. Instead, opt for a calming herbal tea to help you unwind. Create a sleep-friendly environment by keeping your room cool, dark, and quiet. Consider using blackout curtains and a white noise machine if needed. Prioritizing sleep is not just about feeling rested, it's a key component of a healthy lifestyle and can significantly impact your weight management efforts. Chapter 5. Stress. Less, way less. Let's face it, life can be stressful, but chronic stress can wreak havoc on your body, including your waistline. Remember cortisol, that pesky stress hormone? It's back again, promoting belly fat storage. So, finding healthy ways to manage stress is key. Whether it's yoga, meditation, spending time in nature, or listening to your favorite music, prioritize activities that help you unwind and de-stress. Your body will thank you. Chapter 6. Hydration is key. Water is essential for life, and it's also your secret weapon in the fight against belly fat. Staying properly hydrated helps control your appetite, preventing you from overeating. Sometimes our bodies confuse thirst for hunger, so before you reach for a snack, try drinking a glass of water first. Plus, water helps boost your metabolism and aids in digestion. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water throughout the day. Carry a reusable water bottle with you as a reminder to stay hydrated. Chapter 7. Say bye-bye to sugary drinks. Sugary drinks are public enemy number 1 when it comes to belly fat. They're loaded with empty calories, meaning they provide very little nutritional value. And guess where those excess calories end up? You guessed it, stored as fat, especially around your midsection. So, ditch the soda, fruit juices, and sweetened beverages. Instead, opt for water, unsweetened tea, or black coffee. Your body will thank you for it. Chapter 8. Heat it hard. Let's get moving. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is a fantastic way to torch calories and blast away belly fat. HIIT workouts involve short bursts of intense exercise followed by brief recovery periods. This type of training is super effective because it keeps your heart rate elevated even after you finish your workout. Think sprints, burpees, jumping jacks, anything that gets your heart pumping. You can find tons of free HIIT workout videos online, so there's no need for a gym membership. Chapter 9. Strength training for a strong core. Last but not least, let's talk about strength training. Building muscle isn't just about aesthetics. It's essential for boosting your metabolism and burning belly fat. Muscle tissue burns more calories at rest than fat tissue, so the more muscle you have, the more calories you'll burn, even when you're just relaxing. Incorporate exercises like squats, deadlifts, lunges, and push-ups into your routine. These compound movements work for multiple muscle groups simultaneously, maximizing your calorie burn. Outro. Ditch the crunch, embrace healthy habits. It's time to say goodbye to those tedious crunches and hello to a healthier, more enjoyable way of living. So there you have it, 9 effective ways to get rid of lower belly fat without doing a single crunch. These methods are designed to fit seamlessly into your daily routine, making it easier than ever to achieve your fitness goals. Remember, it's all about making sustainable lifestyle changes that you can stick with long-term. Small, consistent efforts can lead to significant results over time. Whether it's preparing nutritious meals or finding joy in outdoor activities, every little bit helps. Focus on eating a healthy diet, getting enough sleep, managing stress, and finding balance in your life. A well-rounded approach to health is key to maintaining your progress and feeling your best. Incorporating regular exercise into your routine is essential. Whether you prefer jogging in the park, joining a group fitness class, or simply taking a brisk walk, staying active is crucial for overall well-being. And most importantly, be patient with yourself. Change doesn't happen overnight, and it's important to give yourself grace during the process. Celebrate the small victories, and understand that setbacks are a natural part of the journey. Results take time and effort. Tracking your progress can help you stay motivated and see how far you've come. Stay determined and keep pushing forward, even when it gets tough. Celebrate your progress along the way, no matter how small it may seem. Each milestone is a step closer to your ultimate goal. Take pride in your achievements and let them fuel your motivation. And don't get discouraged if you have setbacks. Everyone faces challenges, but it's how you overcome them that truly matters. Stay positive, keep pushing, and remember that you've got this. If you found these tips helpful, please share them with friends and family who might benefit as well. Your support means the world to us and helps us continue to provide valuable content. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health and fitness advice. Your engagement helps us grow and reach more people. See you next time, and until then, stay healthy and stay happy.